Yeah, hello. Once again, is Richard Dupey here. This is midweek. Uh, you see, the last week plan that I played the 48. I'm going to be using the continuation. So let's see how it goes. Okay, this one in the year 2007 in national. You know the plan is in national. So 2007. Let's see at event 2317. They play 48 over there. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then they play 25. So the 25 play at where the 48 also play at. So at each winning, they play 55, 54, 55, 54. So from that 55, 54, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then they play 26. Following week 41. Then following week they play single 5. Now you count from that single 5 correct counting weeks at event 2352 they play 89. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then they play 36, 13 at 4th and 5th. So the 13 will play at 4th, the 36 will play at 5th. Then in each machine they play 46. So correct week from correct counting weeks from there to you will get to event 2365. That is in the year 2008. They play the single 3. That is the 48 that play over there, the counter. Then the 41 comes to play. Then you count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 weeks down. Then they play the single 4 at winning. Then you see that the single 4 with 10, 40. That was what play with the double 5s counter. That is 10. And then also 78 and 61. So if you remember the 4 numbers that they play last 2 weeks, then they play the 25 that play with the 48. They play the 25 in machine. That was when the 48, you remember last week, the 48 play. So as the 48 play now, we are here on this event. So as you can see, the double 5 that also play with the 54 that I showed earlier. The double 5 should come as a banker. That is the 10s counter. Then the 78 here will also 10, 87. But he's playing with 65. So the 65 is also on the event. So as you can see, the 3 numbers become 65, 55, 87. The 10 should counter. The 78 here should 10, 87 to play on the event. So those are the 3 numbers. If you come to the midweek's current, you will see this is where they play the 48 at event 1080. That is where they play the 48. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. They play the 25 in machine. Then at winning 55, 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 26, the 41 will play following week the single 5. So correct, they play things on the wheel, but correct counting weeks they will play the 89 at event 1115. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. The 36, 13 will play at the position. 46 will play in machine. If you count correct counting weeks again too, you see the this is the single 3. Following week the 41 will play. Then correct counting weeks, the 16 weeks, you see single 4. Following week then the 3 numbers 10, 40, 61, 78, the 4 numbers. Then they play 25 in machine. Last week the 48 that play, they will play the 48. So now they have to play the 55 that play over there as a banker. That is the 10s counter. Then the 78 will 10, 87 to play with 65. So that makes the event here very strong. But watch here. If you see, let's say in the year 2014, in the national event 2675, they play 74, 67. Then you see the 65, 55 again over there as another confirmation to the too short. There is another one also in the here in the midweek paper itself. They play 85, following week 21, following week single 4, then they play the 48 in machine. So if you count 1, 2, 3, they play 67 last week, following week 65, 55, again the same too short. So if you come to the current, you see the same thing, that they play the 85, 21, single 4, 48 in machine, 1, 2, 3, that is the 67. So the same too short. So this is the event that I'm using, event 2384. Numbers on the event are 12, 63, 87, 55, 65. 12, 63, 87, 55, 65. National event. Let's hope for the best. Bye for now.